Hey, good morning, everybody. It's your girl, Just T. Yes, baby, coming at you with another recipe. Today, this morning, I'm planning on making some breakfast burritos. And I'm like, okay, let me share this with the world because they need to see this, These are awesome, right? So, we're going to do some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos, baby. You got that? Yes, boo. So, in order to get started, we're going to need some tortilla shells, of course. Hold this up. I know I'm bad at it. And this pack has 10 in there. We're not using 10. Okay. I'm going to be using some Lowry seasoned salt. I have a can of Rotel mild diced tomatoes with green chilies in there. We're going to drain that out. I have some milk because I like to put a little bit of milk in my eggs, make them a little fluffy. We have some black pepper. I have some cheese, some Mexican blend cheese. Now I like crab cheese, but y'all, I had to go to the dollar store. So, that's all right though. We gonna work it out. And I want mine a little spicy because again, y'all know I like spicy. So this is some pepper jack cheese. I've been using it. I like to just slice up some thyme, so eat that, and some crab singles right there. I have a half of an onion, small onion right there. We got those Tennessee Pride hot sausages. I got one small medium-sized potato. I'm gonna dice that up really small, and I have some eggs. I'm gonna get that onion diced up, and I'm gonna dice up this potato. Now when you dice up this potato, we want to dice it up really small because we want it to cook really quickly. We don't want to be waiting all morning for this damn burrito. Alright, so I'm gonna get that, go ahead and get that all diced up. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys real quick like how I diced up that potato. In here I have 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and I have a teaspoon of black pepper in there. But I wanted to show you guys how big they are. Like, you want to cut them really small. They're really small. And the onions too, because I'm going to add those into there. Oh my gosh, I need to get me some light. These onions, kind of small. So I'm about to just add those onions right in with those diced potatoes, and I'm going to get my stove turned on so we can get this to cooking. So I have like a nice amount of oil into this pan. I'm going to say about a half a cup. Y'all know I'll be eyeballing shit. But you need a good bit of oil, not a lot, but like I said, maybe a half a cup of oil, because in a minute we're going to be putting those diced potatoes and onions into that pan, and we want them to cook, really nice. We want them to fry. And then over here I have this pan getting hot, so I can put that pork sausage in there and get that all cooked up as well. Half a pack of that pork sausage. So I'm gonna just chop this up and get it all brown. You want to cook your pork sausage until all the pink is no longer there. So it's almost there. So still gotta cook that a little more. And the potatoes, we want those nice and brown. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so good. This smells so good. Look at those potatoes. Baby, come on over and get you some. Just T got you, boo. I got you. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this shit's gonna be so good. I got my little pepper jack cheese cut up right there. I like it spicy. So we're gonna let those finish cooking. So far they've been cooking for about 6 minutes now. I got that on like a medium high heat. And this is kind of on medium heat, the pork sausages. So I'm gonna let that finish. It's almost done because I want to drain both of those together. So I'm trying to wait for those potatoes to finish, because we're gonna add all that goodness in there. We're gonna get those eggs and everything. We're gonna get all this together, baby. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. Okay, those diced potatoes and onions, they're already. They are done. Look at those onions in there. Y'all, that's gonna be so good. Only take about 10 minutes. Like I said, you want to cut them up really small. So I'm about to cut this off. The sausage is done. I'm about to drain both of those, and we're gonna mix those all together. Okay, I got about 6 eggs in here. I put like a teaspoon of black pepper. Just gonna do a splash of milk. It's gonna help fluffy those eggs up. And I got my butter in my pan. I'm about to scramble these eggs up. And then we about there. We about ready to assemble this motherfucking burrito, baby. Come on. Come on. Okay, and into the eggs, I added like a half a can of those, that Rotel dip. Those tomatoes and green chilies into the eggs. And I'm going to just scramble these up. Mix this in with the pork sausage, baby. And it's about to be on. It's about to be on. Now you can use more of those of that Rotel dip as you want. I might even add a little bit more once I mix it all together and see where it's at. And also into the eggs, what I'm about to do is I'm gonna add that pepper jack that I cut up. This is that pepper jack cheese. It's gonna be spicy. Gotta have a little spice in your life. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. This is gonna be good. Get those eggs all scrambled up, baby. Come on. Y'all look at that. She ready. Y'all ready for a breakfast burrito? I know y'all is. Look at this. Shit, it looks good. Come on, y'all. Come over and get you some. Y'all can have one. I'll make one for you. Come on. So we gonna get these eggs nice and scrambled. That cheese is gonna melt in here. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be good. That is gonna be good. And see, my eggs are almost done. So what I do is turn off my heat because they're still gonna be cooking. I don't want to overcook my eggs. I hate some bouncy, hard-ass eggs. So let me get those finished, and we're gonna incorporate the meat with this, and then we're gonna start to building in damn breakfast burritos, baby. Come on, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so we back, and this is what everything looks like while it's all incorporated together. Look at that. Look at those potatoes. Oh my gosh. And that pork sausage, y'all. This is gonna be so damn good. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to get those tortilla shells ready. So what I usually do is I put them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds on a plate, and I put a piece of paper towel on it that's lightly wet. The paper towel, lightly wetted. Doesn't, just a little bit of water. Sprinkle some water on it with your hands or something, with your fingers. And just put that in the microwave for like 10 to 15 seconds. So that way they'll be nice and warm and easier for you to work with and to roll with. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to get those together. All right, babe. Babe, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we about to assemble these motherfucking burritos. So we got one piece of cheese. We just split that piece of cheese in half, and then we're going to get some of that sausage, egg, potato, rotel, all that motherfucking goodness in there, babe. It's so good. It's going to be so good. This is going to be good, babe. Hopefully I can roll it, because I know you like a lot of meat.
Yeah, that's going to be huge.
It is. It's going to be good, too, though. We're going to put some of this fake Kraft cheese on it. Well, I was telling them that I went to the dollar store, but, they didn't have any. But what I know I'm going to do, too, because we're going to seal this, too, so I should have had my pan. So this is it right here. We're just going to roll it like this. Pull it towards you a little bit. We're going to roll it again. We're going to fold it over like this. Fold it over. Oh, I might have it. I might have it. I might have it. And that is one. And we're going to actually seal those up. Let me get this other one. I'm going to seal them so that way they will stay as well. So here it is again. Get that piece of cheese that we just split down the middle. Put this in this sink. Just lay it right there. Get you some of that mixture and just lay it right on there too. Babe, this is gonna be so good. You hungry, babe?
Mm-hmm.
You said, mm-hmm. Is you hungry, babe? That's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you hungry for real. I'm hungry. That's how I feel. So again, we just go. See, you was letting me slip. You ain't want no cheese on it?
Yeah, I forgot about cheese.
Mm-hmm. So just put you some cheese on there. Because, y'all, what we going to do with these, too, I'm going to put these back on the stove top, just to seal it up. Hopefully I'm not wrapping that too fast so people can see it. Just kind of folding the sides in like that. And just tuck them as you go. Just fold and tuck. And then we are going to put, look at those. They ain't even, but they going to be good. They going to be good. You can eat those like that if you want to, but I'm about to seal them. I'm about to seal the bottom. I'm just going to put them on the stove with a little bit of butter and seal the bottom of those jokers. So when you go ahead and eat them, they won't pop open. So let's get that done. All right, about to get these in the pan so we can seal the bottom of those up. Shouldn't even take that long, babe. Got just a little bit of butter at the bottom of those. It's enough where you probably can't even see it in there. But that's gonna seal the bottom of those. It's gonna seal them up. And since you want a little cheese on there, babe, I'm about to sprinkle some cheese on top. Put some cheese on there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, babe. Make it rain with some cheese on it. And put this plate, just putting a plate on top of it for a second so that cheese can melt. All right, let's take this off and see where we're at, babe. Uh-oh, look at that. There you go. Bam. Look at those. We about to get those cut. Let me get one of these and cut it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Lord have mercy. Okay. Hold on. This cheese is stuck. Let me just cut it. And we're going to put that one in the fridge. Yes, Lord. Okay. This is going to be good. Look at, oh, shoot, it's hot. It's hot. But there you go. That breakfast motherfucking burrito, babe, is good. Oh, and my bacon is good. My bacon is good. There you go, though. Breakfast burrito. Just T. You better come cook with me. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.